Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get DramaBox promo gift codes. All right, let's begin. First, you need to know where to find these promo codes. DramaBox frequently shares gift codes on its official social media pages, including X, Snapchat, and Instagram. Following them on these platforms will help you stay updated on the latest giveaways. For example, if you are using Instagram, open the app and search for DramaBox's official page. Once you are on their profile, check the highlights section, as they often store promo codes there. You can also find codes in their regular posts, reels, or stories. If you come across a promo code, the next step is to redeem it. Open the DramaBox app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then, select the Gifts section. Here, you can either type in the promo code manually or paste it if you have copied it. After entering the promo code, tap Redeem. If the code is valid, it will be activated, and you will receive the associated rewards instantly. So that's basically how you can get DramaBox promo gift codes. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.